Hey guys, welcome to
Boss mo yan?
Okay.
Chef of the house. Ay, okay. Galuto ako, pinaghati-hati ko. Pagdating mo,
Guys,
may pagnanasa ka pala sa akin na.
I'm gonna put the cakes on the table.
Kailan ang baba mo?
You guys will
Kailan ang baba mo? Kailan ang baba mo dito? Kailan ang baba mo?
An unbeliever in every sense of the word into the realm.
Waiting.
I had to look at the mess that
Ngayon na ba?
not to solve whether it's real or not, but to feel in my soul the essence of that which it strove to convey.
Nag-Christmas party na kaya?
A holy priest,
Napagkano ang bonus mo?
struck down by no man, but by the hand of Satan himself, laid to rest in the sealed tomb of his father. Again, risen.
Ta, flipan ko na.
Sige, sige. Basta glagyan niya na, pwede na siya. Ah.
Ta,
Hi,
ikaw na nga.
Karen.
Pa-like, ano.
Busy pa ako.
Ikaw
Busy. Ay, ayan na kuya. Pakilagay na lang dyan. Thank you.
Wait, yes.
Ay, dito.
Ayaw niyo mag-flip. Ayaw niyo
Nagtawagan pa ako.
Oh, sige, sige. At busy ako ngayon. Anyari. Bye.
No,
Bye. Yan po. Bye daw.
Bye, kuya.
Yan po.